Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vera, and in this channel I talk beauty, I talk motherhood, I talk hair, health, hygiene, lifestyle, just a little bit of everything. So join the family. Please click on the subscribe button below and turn your notification on to know when I upload a new video like this one. Today's video is for my girls them who wants a firm, bigger backside. It's possible. I really don't believe you can enlarge your buttocks unless you're going under the knife, surgery or intense exercise. I mean intense, not once a week kinda. But I was looking for something online and I came across okra for big bum bum. I just don't know what made me click on the video. I quickly went to the comment section to see people's feedback, and I was surprised to see at least 10 people saying thank you to the YouTuber that worked for them. That was what made me watch the video, so I'm going to make it today, apply it for 1 or 2 weeks, I'm not sure yet, and I'll tell you if it's worth your time and energy. One question that pops into my head whenever I see advertisements on hip enlargement oil is, how does the oil know the difference between my hand and my backside? Because I'm going to be applying it with my hand. But then, because of the feedbacks, I'm 50-50 on this one until I try it. I will then decide if it's more or less. I'm hoping that after the 2 weeks or almost 2 weeks, that I'll be back with a positive result. But if not, trust me, I'm going to give you an honest feedback so you don't waste your time with this. Okay, so come with me. So you guys, the first thing that we need is our okra. I'm going to use just 3 because right now I'm still 50-50 on this. Yeah, 3 is enough. I don't want to waste okra. So she said we cut the okra. Yeah, that should be enough. There are 3 big ones, so we need a bowl. We put everything inside it. And then add our olive oil. She said specifically olive oil. So I'm going to do exactly what she did to be sure to get the best results out of it. Okay, so I'm just going to add enough to at least cover the okra. This should be enough. What we're going to do is leave the okra in the oil for 3 good days, but I'm going to start applying it on my bum tomorrow. Like she said, after 24 hours you can start using the oil, but still leave it in the okra for 3 days. Then after 3 days, take the okra away and throw it, and then keep using the oil. So guys, you're back. This is what's left of the oil. That's to show you how serious I took it. Like, I wasn't joking at all. I made sure to apply it every morning and night. Yeah, I meant it. It's 13 days since I started using this oil. The first day I noticed a tingling on my buttocks. Same thing on the second and third day, but not like the first day. And then nothing after the third day. I don't know what that means. Let me be honest, I don't know if it's in my head. I think it added a little, but it's not a fast remedy. You have to have patience and give it at least 1 month to see a very noticeable result. It's worth a try though, but if you want a bigger Botox like today, tomorrow, please don't bother yourself. Just register in any of your local gyms and do some squatting, okay? Try it and let me know if you got what you're looking for. Now, on a serious note, please ask yourself now, have I subscribed to this channel? If the answer is no, it's not late. Just go ahead now and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, show kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you guys soon.